Geoffrey, let's go there. Okay. Yeah. Oh, my brain too. I can hear. I can think. Oh. Good. Speed. Good. Let's go. Wee. Anyone got popcorn? Oh shit. Oh shit. Why? Yeah. I'll survive. Don't ask me why I have. Don't ask me why I have this or this. But the jolly launcher. But heard me say too much other. So I'm gonna kill you. But you're walking too slow. I'm gonna jump. Yeah, I'm gonna get you. Yeah. Is what is my business system? That's okay. If I do this, you will see what I use. I use the metal plate for brain. I follow tutorial and I change some things. But saw how to make good. It only saw to do bad, but not this. So I do. Should I make Should I make OS to V2 so I can add a smaller gut, and also behind that is the heart. Now it looks like the secondary B word. You see the gut? See that? Like I followed the tutorial, and the other I made it myself. When it's like that, it look like the gut is coming. When it's like that, it look like it's coming out of his back. It's like it's coming. Like when it looks so brutal when I throw. And you ask me, what is this red cube? But it's the heart. achievement. No. Yes, this is dot, 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 I'm gonna eat you. Hey, sleep. Hey, up. Hey, it's Patrick. Back. Who's it? What's it mean? Is it me? Is it me or looks like it's the music looks like a birthday party. You're not meant to see that. Okay, I don't know why it was here. I am no one that's why it's yellow. If I didn't click that, I would not know what it's meant to be. When I like throwing this looks so brutal. Like when you throw it looks so brutal. Like it looks so brutal. I survived. My heart is gone. My eyes is gone. My brain is gone. But I'm still alive and I still have my gut. It's time to die. And when I throw, looks so brutal. Wait. Where did this kind of look? It looked like a bow. Like if this a mod you can find. If this a save you can find in the workshop. Like it's made with object of melon plates of made of obstacle object. It's glitchy. Brutal. It's so brutal.